These are the top 7 advice from the senior software engineer. I myself consider myself as a senior software engineer. These are the top 7 advices that I want to give. These are just my personal thoughts. I'm not a god level developer, so don't take my words like they are something, but to some extent they come from my experience. So first advice I would give: don't be saturated in one tech stack. Okay, I had this mindset initially that I would learn one stack and I would really master that, and then yeah, my life is done there. I would basically keep on working on that stack for a while, and I'm doing a job which needs these skills. I have that skills. I'm proving it. I'm exceptional well into it. Um, I would say don't do that mistake. Okay, you definitely master one stack, but don't just limit you to the one stack. I'm not gonna elaborate why you think about it, but it's just my advice. Second thing, uh, never take the constructive feedbacks personally. Okay, constructive feedbacks has to be for the purpose of the constructive thinking. Okay, if you have received a constructive feedback, okay, this thing doesn't work, or you have wrote the shitty code, it is a shitty code, accept that. Okay, always welcome to the creative thoughts and the ideas from your peers. Okay, at max what you can do is like you can challenge them and like see, wow, why you think like having this thing implemented in this way makes more sense than my way. Okay, then you can challenge that. Okay, I have something else. If what if we do this way, what do you feel about, like, would it be better than yours? You can like challenge in this way. Okay, in this frame, it would be, you would completely impress the next person, but never deny or avoid the constructive feedbacks. That's a horrible thing you can do. Third thing, I would say master at least once programming language. Okay, for me it is JavaScript and the TypeScript, I would say. But master at least one programming language. What I mean by mastering a language, you should be able to type that language blindly, even in when you are sleeping. That's too much of exaggeration. You should be able to like type that language without any support, or you should be very comfortable with the syntax and the things, the data structures you are using. Master at least one language that you know you are you have really good, you just develop the command over it and you can do the stuff in that language. You can write any random program, you can use the data structure in that language without like looking for the syntax, so that is really attractive for you. Fourth, never compare yourself with someone who is maybe more better than you. Okay, never like do that. Maybe that person has reached to that level because he has spent a lot of time or have really good experience background. So never try to like compare, and never try to prove yourself because you want to just prove it to the another person. Just go with your best, work in your natural environment, and you will produce the things which you will be proud of. Fifth, ask for the help. Ask for the help, and it is good to have a mentor. But whenever you need, like, ask for a help to the right person, and take the advice with very open mind. Okay, that would develop your mind to look at the things from the unseen way. You will know many good things that you have not heard before. So ask for the help. Sixth, never run away from the complexity. Okay, just because it is difficult, you're trying to avoid something, it's not going to take you long. It is simply not better for you in a long run. You may avoid that thing at that time, but never like try to run away from the complexity. Try to dig into a problem, try to get into the roots of it, and understand how you can do understand and how you can solve it. uh, Running away from the complexity is actually more damaging to you than maybe to someone else, because you are basically letting go the opportunity, a wonderful opportunity that you have to solve a complex problem and make an impression. Seventh one, and I think this is not easy to gain, but it will come over the period of time, which is like develop your own persona, develop your own interest, develop your own opinions and the thoughts about the things. Or it's not just like a programmer, problem solver who knows, who takes the instruction, knows how to solve the problems. Develop your persona, develop your thoughts, your opinions about the things. What do you feel about it? Why do you feel about it? That would really stand out of your personality, not just as like a developer or the programmer, but as an individual as well. If you have the opinions and the thoughts about things, and you have a reason, strong reason supporting that, I think that would really make you stand out, or different, make you stand out, or make you really unique person compared to other else. So let me know how you found them. If you have objections or if you have maybe liked them, then let me know in the comments.